All right, let's get you into your new Canva for Education accounts. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to get into your account, but before you do so, I want to mention really quickly, if you've already been a Canva user for a while, the first thing you're going to want to do is log out of your account and then log back in. So I set one up a while ago with my redlandsschools.net account, which is the account we're going to be using for our district accounts. And so I'm logged into it right now. I'm going to go up to my avatar and I'm going to sign out of this, so that my account can pick up all the changes and the new features. So how do we get into those brand new Canva accounts? 2 options. One thing you can do is you can go to canva.com right now, and then you can log in with your redlandsschools.net account, or just click this continue with Google button and you'll be able to log in that way. Or the other thing you can do is from this kind of like Google homepage, if you go up to the Google waffle and click that, and scroll down a bit, you'll notice there's a brand new Canva button that appears there. And the nice piece about this is if you click that button, it will automatically log you into your Canva account since it's tied with your Redlands Google account. So now I'm in my Canva account, and I want to point out to you one key feature that everybody needs to be aware of. That's in the upper left-hand corner, and this is what Canva calls the team switcher. So I'm now part of 2 teams. I set up my own Canva account a while ago, and if I click this drop down, you'll see here's my original one that I've been using, Caleb Rothy's team. And now I'm a part of a second team. This is the district provided team. For me, I'm on the staff and admin team. You will be on the team that's associated with the school that you're teaching at. So yours up here may say your school name instead. So in Canva, they kind of separate those things that you make by teams. So anytime you want to make something with the new pro features using Canva for Education, you're going to switch over here to your school team or to the district team, and that's where you'll be able to build all of your new things. Now, before I let you go, I want to mention one other resource for you, and that is this guide over here. This is the Canva Teacher's Guide, and this is a really important thing for you to take a look at, even if you've used Canva before, because there are a few differences between our new organization-wide version of Canva and the versions you may have used in the past. So head to the bit.ly that's appearing on the screen right now. That will pull up this Canva for Education Teacher's Guide, and you can kind of click around to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and get familiar with some of the things that are a little bit different with Canva for Education.